Hi everyone, it's been a while since I got behind the bar and I thought I'd make you another drink. All the food videos have been successful, thank you, and thank you for all the love. So let's do a drink tonight. And I'm going to do a twist on a very classic drink, the mimosa. So a mimosa, as you know, is very popular on Sunday brunches, a nice drink on a Sunday morning, a Saturday morning. I'm not suggesting you become alcoholics here, but it's always good to have a nice refreshing drink. So the twist I'm doing today over here, of course I'm Indian, so we have to do a Desi twist to it. So I'm going to take a traditional mimosa, but I'm going to also add some mint and chili to it, just to kick it up a notch and give it that nice spice. Okay. So what I have here is some mint leaves, fresh mint leaves from our own garden in the backyard, and some chopped up green chili. Very few. You just need a quarter green chili, not much. You don't want the chili to overpower the classic flavor of a mimosa. So what we do is we just use your hands and tear up some mint leaves, and we're going to toss it in there. And while we're doing that, you can say hi to the star of our channel, Anu. And of course, Anu and Amara made the famous rainbow cake, which is a #1 video on our channel. So there's our star, guys. I mean, I'm just the sidekick here now. So, so I'm putting some mint and some chilies in here. Like I said, a quarter chili. And you don't want to really fine grind it. You just want to pound it a little bit to get those flavors out. And the nice chunky chili and the chunky mint will actually taste very good in the mimosa. So that's about good. See the texture over there? That's what I'm looking for. And I also have, now what goes in a classic mimosa? It's pretty much champagne and orange juice. 3 parts champagne, 1 part orange juice, and you're done. So I have some orange juice here, freshly squeezed, and you can buy store-bought, of course. So I just want to put my mint and chili mixture in there and give it a nice stir. And you can use a spoon to just stir it. You don't have to put it in a shaker or anything. So I have, I just scraped that off my pestle, and now the rest of it, there you go. Just toss that in there. So that's going to add a lot of flavor. Now after we put all of it in here, we want to make sure we give it a nice stir. And what this does is make sure you get all the flavors of mint and chili in your orange juice. And that's pretty much it. That looks good to me. We're clearly not going to use all of this orange juice today on the first drink, but knowing Anu, she's going to have multiple of these, right? So I'm hoping it tastes good. So first, take some champagne, carefully pour it into your champagne flute. And it's nice bubbly right there. Look at that. Perfect pour. So we want about 3/4 part. I mean, if you can't get this by just feel, then please measure it out. But hopefully I know what I'm doing here. So that's about good. And then I'm going to put some orange juice and mint mixture in there. Now you can pour it directly. It might fall off the side. If you're not comfortable, use a spoon. But I'm going to try and do it just like so. There you go. So, and then I'll gently give it another quick stir. That's perfect. Okay, and that's it. That's really a mimosa, but this is a mimosa with the chili mint twist. Nice, and got a kick to it. So I'm going to garnish it today. You can garnish with strawberry. You don't have to garnish it at all. And I'm garnishing with some raspberries. Just throw one on there. And another one, why not? Let's just put 2 of them on there. Perfect. And I'll throw some fresh mint on top, just for kicks. So that's it, folks. Classic mimosa with my own twist to it. Hope you enjoy this, right? And now we'll do a taste test. Okay, the moment of truth, taste test.
I can't wait. This smells so
you have to serve this chill. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Can you taste the chili?
Of course I can. And
the mint?
wow, it is a very unique way of serving classic. This is amazing.
A nice wake me up drink in the morning, because the chili and the mint will wake you up with the mimosa. And
For
after
sure, it's a brunch drink, nothing like this.
yeah, and then once you have one of these, you can enjoy your brunch too. So thank you for watching. Do try this one out at home, a different version of mimosa. See you next time.
Thank you all.